Yo, what is up, guys? My name's AJ, coming to you guys with another video today. Basically, I can't make up my mind. I'm gonna be changing my channel, and it's gonna be a car build. I will do a little bit of video games, but no more BMX, maybe, but car build. And I'm building this car right now for my first car. And it's a, let me show the hood. It's a 1979 Datsun 280ZX. My friend Zach, he got the YouTube channel. She's not the cleanest. The paint is pretty bad. Let's repaint it. Ripping the interior out. Put some, ooh, yeah, that's nasty. Put some new interior in it, or like seats, I guess, and just kind of clean the dash up. And fire her up and drive her to school. Badass car. All it needs to run is a battery, a key for the ignition, and some spark plug wires, which when the hood opens, fucking badass. An inline 6, 2.8 liter, fuel injected, but it needs the, sorry for that, my phone's about to die. It needs the little wires for here to go to the spark plugs on the other side, over there. But yeah, that's it. That's my car, and peace.